She can choose stuff in her purse. The purse.
Okay. Inside the purse. Open the purse.
Why do I have to open my
Because
purse?
they have you on camera.
Can you show me the camera?
I can show them.
Show them.
Let me show me.
On May 16th, 2025, officers in Florida responded to a retail location after loss prevention observed a woman concealing merchandise in her purse. The arrest looked clean. One phrase made it complicated. Loss prevention waited until the subjects crossed the pharmacy exit before signaling officers. Florida Statutes 8:12.015. The Merchant's Privilege Statute only authorizes detention after merchandise passes beyond all points of sale.
Is she from the store?
Yeah, she's right here. Police are here.
She has stuff inside the purse. You want to wait to see if she paid for it?
Do you want us to wait and see if the lady pays for her stuff or no?
You have it on camera now.
Technically, we have to wait until she crosses the doors.
Oh, Dennis is. Hi, I'm sorry. I'm Ron. I'm coming back. I work in this department, but I was looking for Dennis. He's not.
And he's in the store and we're looking for a Shopkeeper right now.
Oh, okay. How you doing, officer?
Good, are you?
Good, thank you. All right.
That's more than 15 items. There's no way they scan everything together.
Is both of them? Both, right?
Can you start looking through self-checkout to see if they scan it?
Oh, 228, yeah, but it's going to be two females shoplifting. They are about to exit the store.
Pharmacy, the one.
Through the pharmacy?
Yeah, they're coming to the side.
Okay.
Do you want me to make my way
They're
out the
about
door?
to leave through the pharmacy entrance.
Huh?
Copy.
No.
Wait to see if they go through. That's it. They're coming. Just go outside. Just go outside. They're going to see if they're going to stop to pay or not. They're coming this way. One of them have a like a light blue. Come this way. Let's get that way. Doesn't they have a kid? Right there. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Both of you, come over here. Both of you.
Come over there for what?
We'll explain to you in a minute.
What are
Let's
we
go over
coming
there.
for?
Let's go over there.
She got the receipt for everything
That's
she
like I
paid
said.
for.
That's fine.
Is it both of them?
Yeah,
Both
both of
parts.
them.
This is crazy. Oh, he's got a credit card policy.
What's being recorded? What am I saying? She got the receipt.
That's okay. They want,
What am I going in there for though?
they want to talk to you right now. You want to do it in public or you want to do it in private?
So why would y'all stop me? He didn't say that. He said it was not me. He said the green panties.
You said what?
Excuse me.
Not empty. There's infinite barrel, right?
You can't tell me that I did anything.
They have it on camera.
Listen. Let's figure it out.
Oh, this motherfucker.
I understand you'll be upset. I
My
wasn't
receipt right here.
That's okay, city. Just wait until they finish. Maybe if it's nothing, you guys can go, okay?
No, I'm gonna take my stuff. I got my kids. I don't have to leave this for me.
Let me find out who this belongs to. Let me go.
Why do I have to open my?
Hold on a second.
This my stuff? Yeah, you got your receipts for everything.
The thing on the car is being paid off.
We can,
What about this stuff right there?
you can give us a receipt, we can check.
The juice, everything. Thank you. I'm no state law.
You don't want to check?
We're just getting her stuff from the
You say I took nothing, so I can sue you.
Like to look for the accused. They may not have any service.
So they have it on camera, sir?
What do they have on camera?
What was their last and any contact with
We have the film about the pharmacy entrance inside the store. Okay, so we need some kind of communication. What's going on with her?
She can choose stuff in her purse. Her purse. There's
Okay.
in the payroll list.
Inside the purse. Open the purse.
Why do I have to open my
Because they have you on
Can
camera.
he show me the camera?
They can show them.
Okay, show
Okay,
them.
let me show me.
Right there. Or was it? No, it wasn't.
I'm gonna take the one is with them.
It was after this.
What's up with the purse?
You just told me to come here.
Yeah, I know, but be careful with the lady.
That's where you started. That's
Purse,
payroll.
I leave your holder in the courthouse.
Right in her
Grab your
purse.
purse, I can come in.
Okay.
Grab the purse, I can take this out.
She
I
can
don't
see
want
you.
in here. So I'll
You want
put
me
it
to
to the
grab
side of
this?
the door.
Okay.
Show me the purse.
Right there. Stealing apparel in her purse.
Okay, so we're gonna go through it.
All right, can you give me my phone at the bottom, please?
You guys want to complain?
Yep.
Can you give me my
Can you
phone
get a
at the
receipt
bottom?
for it?
As soon as I get the stuff, I can get a receipt.
Can you give me my phone at the bottom?
Yes, sweetie, hold
That's
on
the
a
last
second,
thing we
all right?
worried about is
What's
the
the
phone right now. It ain't going nowhere. It's on camera. You.
Couldn't hear you on the radio.
No, I'm sorry. All right. So we do want complaint action, right? Yep. All right. Go ahead. Turn around. Please hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
This is hers. She brought this with her. Okay. 421 on the.
421 on the. Good.
You have to go.
Excuse me. 724, I'm clear now. You want to pick that up for you?
No, I got it.
Do you have anything in your bra, waistband, or
Nothing at all.
I don't want
I got
to
your
expose
phone.
you.
got my
I'm
phone?
gonna
Yeah, I got
have
your
I
to
don't got nothing. I'm no bra, no drawers, no nothing on. Nothing.
fix that way.
Watch out, that's what you want to
I know, but I have to check too. Okay, nothing personal. I'm about to take it off, but I
You
will.
can't take it off. It's nothing under here.
Well, I have to check
It's
it.
I'm bald as hell.
Oh, we
I
gotta
just
check
told
it.
you
We just
that.
gotta check it.
It's so embarrassing that you.
At least we're in here doing it.
Yeah, but like, can you put it back on? At least.
Yeah, after I check, sweetie, I'll tell you that.
All right. You want to transport her to Cool
Doesn't
One
matter.
and I get the receipt and stuff? Thank you.
Did she pay for the water?
Yeah, she did. It's
The other girl? I think she left.
Okay,
So
but where's she at right now? Because you don't want to leave.
she was saying she's
long
leaving,
now?
so
She's leaving.
I let her go. She wasn't in queue,
Okay.
so she can return and get it if she wants it that bad. I mean,
Right this way.
oh, he's getting it perfect.
You want any empty carts?
Oh, she's working. She's working. She's not cutting.
Picture of her face you want?
Yeah,
That's when you're
and
probably
like,
gonna get is when she was in here.
Yeah.
well, not her face, just her in the aisle, like
Oh, like
putting something in it. Yeah.
She was just holding it and putting it in the purse. I mean,
You able to burn a copy of this for me, and I'll get it tomorrow, maybe.
yeah, that's fine. You want me to just leave the entire file just together for you?
Yeah, just put it together and just leave it here. I'll come in early in the morning, so I'll probably come through like 7, 8 o'clock.
We didn't get her anything.
I'll get it and bring it to you tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes.
She's the one that spotted it.
Okay. What's your name?
You.
Angelina.
Angelina. A-N-G,
Elina.
last name?
Yes.
You spotted it on camera or in person?
On camera.
All right. You guys never approached them or anything until
At the door, we tried, and then you guys got to it first.
okay.
Them first.
Okay, at the door.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And then we walked up. Okay, perfect. Got it. All right. I give you the extra
Yeah,
now.
please.
What's the case number?
Are you ready?
404-232-3263.
263. Copy. Thank you. Where's my name? You guys want to trespass?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's your name? I'll say you want it, or you want me to just say Angelina?
Use
don't
both.
matter.
'Cause
All right, I'll stop by in the morning, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you.
Photograph.
Run off camera.
That's what we call booking. And
you need 60s there? How far, sir? 82.
everything's here.
65, Victor, Mike Romeo, and Zulu Fox. Zulu Fox, Victor,
You're right.
Romeo, Fox.
Let me see. Hold on a
Alright,
second.
my copy.
This is this one right here.
Alright.
No, turn up with it.
Sure.
You want the left or the right?
Just on the
You can take my left. I don't have right.
This one?
Copy, we got them. I got the first, my partner got the second.
Let me turn it to the seat.
There it is. She's going to stay put inside the vehicle. The door's open. She's alert. She's going to stand by the EMS arrive. She makes the vehicles.
Copy, all State County. I need that first time again, no Delta 6 off.
That's the Delta 65, Victor, Mike, Whiskey.
3347.
Pause it.
She's out of the vehicle.
Copy. 407.
Okay, good. The camera forward with the females, please.
407, 911 Park Avenue, DMV.
Detained before the threshold, and you have a false imprisonment claim, not a lawful stop. Loss prevention knew the line and held it. That timing is the legal foundation of everything that follows. Once the subjects crossed, officers had reasonable, articulable suspicion based on loss prevention's direct observation. Terry versus Ohio authorizes a brief investigatory stop on exactly that basis. The stop was grounded. Then came the problem. An officer told the subject to open her purse and gave one reason: because I have you on camera. Florida versus Bostick. 1991, consent is valid only if a reasonable person in that position would have felt free to refuse. Citing camera evidence as the reason for the search request is not asking for permission. It conveys that refusal is beside the point. That shift, even without physical coercion, is what defense attorneys bring to suppression hearings. The officer's other conduct weighs in his favor. He did not block her. He offered a private location. He stayed calm. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamante, courts look at the totality, but this phrasing sits close enough to the line that assuming clean consent would be a mistake. Once the arrest was made, the authority to search shifted. United States versus Robinson establishes that a search incident to lawful arrest permits a full search of the person, no warrant required, no separate probable cause needed. Both the purse and the clothing check fall under that authority. The bra area check was done in a private location. That is the right call. The open question is who conducted it. Cross-gender search rules vary by jurisdiction. Most agency policies require a same-gender officer or documented supervisory authorization. That detail needs to be verified before this footage goes public. No Miranda advisement was captured on Bodycam before arrest. Any post-arrest statement the prosecution wants to use would face suppression under Miranda versus Arizona if questioning occurred without advisement. Whether that matters here depends on what was said after the camera stopped rolling. The officer earns a B. Threshold coordination was precise. The scene was managed without force. The consent phrasing is the only meaningful legal vulnerability, and it was avoidable. Would you be willing to open your purse produces the same result with none of the exposure. The subject gets a B-. Asking to see the footage first was legally appropriate. Continuing to deny what the footage clearly showed while handing over the purse did not protect her. It weakened her credibility without gaining her anything. Loss prevention earns an A-. Observed the concealment, communicated it, waited for the threshold crossing, stepped back when officers arrived. That sequencing is exactly what the statute requires. One open question: whether any contact occurred before officers arrived. The body cam does not fully resolve that. The department gets a B+, pending one verification. Officers handled a complex scene, 2 subjects, a child present, multiple coordination tasks without elevated force. If the cross-gender search protocol was not followed, that grade drops. Answer that question before publishing. 3 takeaways. For law enforcement, the difference between open your purse and would you be willing to open your purse is 1 sentence. The legal exposure is not. Word choice at a consent moment is the thing a judge reads in a suppression motion. For loss prevention, the protocol exists because the impulse to move early is strong. The merchant's privilege lives on one side of that threshold line. False imprisonment liability lives on the other. This footage showed a team that knew which side they needed to be on. For the public, being shown evidence before a consent request changes the psychological pressure. It does not change your legal right to refuse. Knowing that before the moment arrives is more useful than asserting it after. If there is a stop or a search you think deserves this kind of scrutiny, drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.